Hey everyone, it's Michelle here and welcome to Mindful Mondays. So this past weekend I had the honor and privilege to spend the weekend at Kripalu Yoga Center in Lenox, Massachusetts, taking an energy intensive yoga retreat with Richard Faulds and Jonathan Faust. And so I thought it was really timely to talk to you today about energy and awareness and how the connection of the two can help us in an anxious moment. So our awareness is really our thought mind, right? It's where we think, it's where we focus our attention. A lot of the times you might find yourself not in the present moment because you're thinking about something and your awareness is trapped in that thought. And other times you might be in the present moment where your awareness is right on what you're doing. Our energy body is really stems from the nervous system. So it's, it's not the physical parts that we can actually see and touch, but it's that energetic sensation that we feel, right? Sometimes we can feel it in our hands or our feet, but basically it's the nervous system that starts the energy process. So the connection between the two is that energy follows awareness, kind of like a little brother following a big brother around, right? So wherever awareness goes, energy follows. So if your awareness is up in your mind, thinking about the past or focused on the future, your energy is going to go that way as well. And you're going to feel probably pretty depleted, and you're going to feel like you don't have enough energy to get through the day because all of your energy is escaping the body and it's being focused elsewhere, externally, right? It's an external focus. But if you bring your awareness downward, the energy will follow. And so one of my tips and tricks for when you're feeling anxious is to try bringing your awareness down to your feet. So my big joke is that I absolutely hate the grocery store. And so I despise standing in line. It makes me very, very angry and frustrated to be there. And so when I find myself triggered by this, I just focus down on my feet. I notice my feet in my shoes, I wiggle my toes, I notice the weight between the 2 feet and whether I'm shifted forward or back. And within a few moments of just bringing my awareness downward, energy follows and I feel a little bit more grounded and a little bit more calm. So, don't take my word for it. Go ahead and give it a try yourself. So if you're in a meeting or you're in a situation where you're having a difficult conversation, or if you're just going throughout your day feeling a little bit scattered and a little externally focused, go ahead and take 2 seconds, stand still, bring your awareness to your feet, and see if anything shifts. You might notice that you feel a little bit more calmer and a little bit more grounded. Okay, so that's today's Mindful Monday. Again, if you'd like to follow more information, you can go to my website, thepathtoserenity.com, where there's a webinar that might help you and also some blogs and other really great resources as well. I hope you guys have a great day.